Some women use spoons, others use potatoes or tea bags, and sometimes cold bottles of water. What are they doing? They're trying to get rid of wrinkles and puffiness under the eyes. Now, this video is taking the internet by storm. This woman has big bags and wrinkles under her eyes. In the video, she's applying a serum called Instantly Ageless, made by Janess. After she applies it, she turns on a fan, and almost like magic, you can see a difference, literally in seconds. So, is it a miracle or another overhyped skin product? We went to dermatologist Dr. Doris Day.
This is more than just marketing hype.
Apparently, it does work, according to Dr. Day, but maybe not in the way you think.
It causes instant but temporary tightening and smoothing of the under eye area that can last anywhere from 2 to 8 hours.
We went to Times Square in New York City to have a couple women try it out. We applied the serum to one eye, and it worked.
I see the back that definitely tightened and less puffiness. I would definitely like to try it again, definitely use it.
Even on a young woman, it reduced some lines under the one eye where we applied the serum. So, if you want to depuff, this might be the product for you, even if it just lasts for a little while.
What you want to do is twist off the top. You want to squirt out a very small amount. Flip the lid over and reseal it. So you can use this file 2 or 3 more times. Is tap a very, very thin layer. I'm just tapping a very thin layer on her skin, but you want to leave it about 10 or 15% damp on the skin. Do not rub it all the way in because the product works as it's drying, so you want it to allow it to do this.
Okay, I'm gonna start a timer. I can't see the...
Now, you haven't seen anything yet.
You can use Instantly Ageless before or after your makeup. First of all, you want to do all your preventative maintenance and all the good stuff first.
Is it working?
Working.
How long has it been? What do you see? What are you thinking?